Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, back again with another DJI Mini 4 Pro video. And I want to remind everyone, this channel is for all experience levels, and there's nothing wrong with being new to the hobby and being puzzled by something that seems to be very simple. So how do you turn on the DJI Mini 4 Pro? How do you power on the DJI Mini 4 Pro? So first of all, you need to power your controller on first. Always have your controller powered on prior to powering on the Mini 4 Pro. Once your controller is powered on, what you need to do, you need to unfold your DJI Mini 4 Pro, and you can check out my separate video where I show step by step how to unfold the DJI Mini 4 Pro, but that's what I'm doing right now. And obviously always take off your camera and gimbal guard prior to powering on your DJI Mini 4 Pro. Make sure you're in a safe and responsible location if you plan to fly. If you're just downloading videos, you know, make sure you don't take off. You don't want to do that. So now there's this button right here that has a little thing. Now one would assume, and this is the point of failure for many, you push it, it lights up, and that's it. So a quick push is simply illuminating the thing, showing how much battery life is remaining. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 LEDs. So it could go all the way from one bar of battery remaining to all 4. So to power it on, what you do is you push, not just once. See, once is to check the battery, but you push and then you push again. But that doesn't work. See, this is where people get confused. So it's a quick push and then an extended push. And you'll know it's starting to come on because you'll hear the propellers, and it'll make, you see that sound it just made? So that's how to power on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now to power it off, we're going to let it, it's doing this little gimbal calibration, we're going to let that finish first. I don't want to turn it off prematurely. So now to power it off, push once and then extended push. And give it a second, it's going to flash and everything's going to go off. And then after you've powered it off, obviously you want to fold your propellers properly. Not fold the propellers, but fold the arms that the propellers are attached to, and then with it powered off, reattach your camera and gimbal protector that may better protect it while the drone is not in use. So I realize this is confusing for many people, especially people that are new to the drone hobby or just new to flying a DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. It's like, man, I push the button, it doesn't turn on, or I push the button, it doesn't turn off. What's up? The thing to remember, if you want to check the battery, it's a quick push, boom. But if you want to power it on, it's a quick push followed by a hold down push. So tap and then hold. And then to power off, same thing. Tap and then hold. So quick tap and then hold to power on, quick tap and then hold to power off. I hope I made it as simple as I could, but that's how to power on the DJI Mini 4 Pro and how to power off the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you have any other drone questions, comment below and I'll try my best to post a video response. I am the drone evangelist. Something I want to share is that if you're flying a drone, always practice safe and responsible drone use. And don't just practice safe and responsible drone use, preach safe and responsible drone use. I am the drone evangelist. I encourage everyone to be fellow drone evangelists, because if we don't practice and preach safe and responsible drone use, this hobby may cease to exist, and that would be catastrophic. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And again, ask any questions that you may have. You can be a beginner, you can be a quote-unquote drone expert or a drone connoisseur. I don't care. I'm here for everyone. I am the drone evangelist. I appreciate your viewership and your support. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Iric Sky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Iric Sky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.